Well, welcome back to the YouTube video. In this video we're going to be working the roads on the old four-wheeler again, like last year. Currently a snowstorm on April 4th. Today I think it is. I spent all goddamn day working on this thing. We finally have her up and going. And good, and 4 decent tires, so it should slide around pretty well. I was out ripping her this morning, and yeah, it's pretty fun until the rims, until the back rim snap off. But yeah, the roads are pretty slick. Should be pretty warmed up now. I just got it going. Got a bump starter. If it would have died there, I would have fucking left it there and walked home. Fuck that. Definitely just a lot better than last year. Now that I have 2 ball tires on the back. Oh fuck yeah. She drifts some good now. Better than she ever did before. Can't even get back up the hill. And it's not even a hill here. Okay, here we go. Now we're going. Supposed to be getting like a foot of snow tonight. But that's retarded. I want winter to be over. It's like almost middle of it's like the beginning of April now. I can't even make it in my own gateway. You got your phone? Want to come to the corner? I would give you a lift, but not much room. I'll race you there. So, my goal is to come around this turn wide open and drift. I did it before, but I ended up down in the ditch there, upside down. Oh yeah, we're gonna drift that thing like nothing. the video, I'm gonna redo that. Feel the turn again. Maybe it should help us. Oh my god, dude. Shit. No. Fuck. I lost the... I lost the freaking hood and the seat. There's even a part of the seat down here now. Okay. Hopefully we can get her going again, because she's pretty hard to get going. Oh, fuck off. This popped off once, and that's gonna pop off forever. I could put like 2 bolts in there. I should do that later. They must have fell out or something. Let me just put my phone up in this pocket. Look at that, my exhaust like fell off, dude. What the hell? Hopefully there's no cars coming. Let's try that again. I want to get it like perfect, you know, like a perfect grip. If I had like a bigger four-wheeler, like my blue one, if I had that one, I don't know what's wrong with that one. It doesn't like stay running properly. Yeah, somebody crossed it in the ditch there. Maybe I'm coming in like too fast too, I don't know. fucked, dude. The one I just did there was actually like, pretty good. Again, or maybe like more speed, I don't know. We did it like perfect that time, so let's see if we can do it more. Let's do more times. That one was perfect. Like the plow truck. Well, I guess our fun on the road here is about to end real soon. Plow truck is coming. Looks like we got like 1 or 2 more tries at doing this turn before this plow truck driver gets here. I wonder who's driving on the plow tonight. Well, we're getting pretty close to us now. Whoa! Four-wheeler almost just died there. Not a good time to die, buddy. Really not a good time to die. plow pass a lot better. I can actually get like traction to get speed now, but still like drift and have fun. Not this ditch again, dude. There's something wrong with this ditch here. I'm telling you. Oh great, it just died now. Oh my god, my seat's gone. My seat is actually mangled. I really gotta fix the electric start on this thing. This summer when I have a garage, I'll fix it. Now the plow truck passed, now we can like bump start it a lot easier now. That's why I had trouble bump starting it before, because the snow and all the ice. Chain popped off. That's no biggie. Holy shit! I almost went down there. Never been built for like content, but I would not have wanted to go down there today. Or tonight I mean. I think I'm gonna do one more lap there and then go park this thing for the night. And probably pick you guys up tomorrow after the storm is done and go ride the roads again. I already feel it. This one's gonna be a good one. Yeah, okay, yeah. That was sick. Too bad I can't do that over there. Fuck. That was really sick, actually. Okay, my last drift of the night. I got one more. really just coming off like all the time now. I'll try to fix it up tomorrow so it doesn't fall off anymore. Oh fuck, my headlight's falling off too on this side now. No! It's fun. Yeah. Bye. Take it.
It's something I need to show you after.
Well, it drifts some good now. I probably should get through my helmet. Driver error. I went the whole night not popping off the chain once. Well, I did pop it off once, but I went in the ditch. How did you pop it off in like 2 seconds? I'm not even driving it. Dude, the road's some icy now. Want me to do it for you? Oh, you got it. But the road's some icy now. Do you want my helmet? What? You should go try that turn if you want. Yeah? Yeah. I haven't, like, I've been coming around there a wide open pin and I haven't rolled over, so.
Oh, that's terrible.
No, but your head. Oh my god, Dodge, shut up. Hey, bounce on it. There. It's catching traction now. The GoPro, it's getting dark, so you guys are probably, your visibility on the GoPro is probably getting pretty slim, because whenever it gets dark, there's no point filming on a GoPro unless you have a light. If not, the footage is just fucking shit. I don't feel like walking all the way up there, so I'm gonna stand right here. Or actually, I want to walk up because I kind of want to get hit. I came close to her like three different times tonight, I think. Not on purpose, but just because I can. It's called skill. Oh shit. Dang. I really wish the blue one was like working like really good right now, because that thing would be so much fun right now. I mean, that thing is fun, but the blue one, my man, is just so much better for drifting, because like it's bigger, has a bigger engine, you know, and it's bigger itself, so like, and it kind of has that like wide front end and like narrow back end, so you know. Oh, I'm getting hit.
Oh shit!
You lost your hood. Hey, why'd you do better than me?
What?
You came in better than me.
No.
Yeah, yours looked cooler. I want to try that again. That's not fair. I gotta be better. I'm trying that again.
Why, you insulted?
Yeah. Oh, shit. Wait, I lost my seat. Oh no, it's right here. Oh my god, this poor bike. It's been around. Well, no, hasn't been around. I'm the original owner of this bike since I was a little kid. Oh, you're not serious. I lifted up the back end while I was in reverse and I popped the chain off. I'm doing that again, but if I was you, I would not stand on this side. Wait, I think for me to spin it right around like that, I gotta stay in the throttle. I can't slack off. For some reason I thought you had to slack off a little bit and then give her the beast again. What? Bro, I figured out the cheat code. Well, not cheat code, the proper way to do it, but I thought you had to let go of the gas for it to spin around a little bit and then snap it again. Nah, just stay in her. I was doing it wrong the entire time. Hey, film this one. I'm gonna do a good one this time. Stand wherever, because I don't even know where I'm gonna go. I know, I love it. If it's slippery, you're always gonna have fun. No. Bro, this fucking ditch. Same spot again. on the lower side and then towards the middle, wide open. Okay, here we go. See if I can make it back in my gate. Oh, my hood, dude. So, I'm gonna end the video off here, and if there isn't too much snow tomorrow, Blake, turn back on for me for a second. Yeah, if there isn't too much snow tomorrow, then you should see me out ripping this thing tomorrow again in the daylight. But if not, well, this will be all it for tonight. Or maybe I'll post this video and then I'll post the other video if I do go tomorrow. And this one's probably already pretty long, so that's what I'll probably do. So if you guys don't see anything after this, it's because there's another video coming out after this one shortly. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. It's pretty fun. Anyways, peace out.